Does handling files and attachments in Salesforce feel like a never-ending challenge? Whether you're trying to gather client reports, retrieve important documents, or just manage your data more efficiently, it can feel like a mountain of work. But what if there was a simpler way? Introducing Files Downloader by Salesforce Software, your ultimate solution for mass downloading files and attachments directly from Salesforce. With Salesforce Software, streamline your workflow by downloading all your Salesforce files in just a few clicks. No more manual downloads, no more clutter, just efficient, organized access to the documents you need. This is the tool interface, and at the top left corner, you can see the File Downloader tab. These leads, accounts, contacts and opportunities are the options in Salesforce. After installing the software, you can simply click on the File Downloader option. After clicking on this option, you will get an option to select what would you like to download. The tool gives 4 options: files and attachments, documents, static resources, and my files and library files. Let's choose files and attachments. Then the tool asks to select object from where you want to download your files and attachments. It can be from account, contact, case, lead, opportunity, and so on. For demo purposes, let's click on account record. Then you can see it will ask you to select an object. I chose the account option. The tool gives 3 options on how you want to download files and attachments. Since I have chosen files and attachments, I can download these via account record or files within list view of account or using SQL query on account. Here I am choosing account record. Now, it will show all the accounts available in my Salesforce. This file downloader tool is populating all the accounts that I have in my Salesforce. I will choose multiple accounts. Then I will click on this arrow to get all the selected accounts on the right-hand box. Also, I can search for accounts by their name, but the better option will be to scroll through the accounts. Once this is done, you can click on the search option given below. Once I click on the search, the tool gives the total number of files, which is 9, and the number of pages, which is 1. Now these are all the files present in these accounts. I can also perform an advanced search to find particular files using these filters: attachment name, created date, modified date, file type, or file size. I can also search for the file, for example, sauce. Also, I can use file type filters given in the tool, or I can select the number of files that I want to download from Salesforce. Then, I can either select files one by one, or I can click on the title box to select all the files. Then I will click on download. A pop-up wizard will show up. Now, all the files have been downloaded. Then I will on close. Now you can see, you will get all my files in a zip file. After that, I can click on the folder, which will contain all my desired files. Here you can see all the documents. Apart from this, I will also get a file mapping report as a CSV, which depicts everything that I have downloaded with their content ID, user ID, and file path. Now I will open the CSV file. After opening this file, we can see it contains all the records in the original format and path. The path will be the same as the files would have been in your Salesforce account. Also, I will be notified through an email as well with an attached CSV file, which is the same file we are talking about. Now, there is another feature under the same option: download accounts files and attachment via, that is files within list view of account, which is highly used by our clients, in which you can choose the list view type: new this week, new last week, and so on. I clicked on all accounts, then I hit the search button. It will populate all the desired files here. Again, I can select files one by one, or apply filters, or download files in batches. Then, all the steps will be the same. Now for demo purposes, I am again refreshing the file to show you another feature. I am again choosing the files and attachments option and choosing the account object. Now this time I am choosing the using SQL query on account option. This will let you search files and attachments from accounts using SQL queries. Once you put the queries, you can hit on the search button. These are the options which you must know about since you will be using a lot. Besides that, you can search for documents in your Salesforce using this option. It will ask the folder from which you want to search the document, or you can put SQL query as well. This is the overview of the Salesforce File Downloader tool, which lets you easily download all the files from Salesforce. If you face any problems or want to customize the tool, our technical support team is present 24/7 to listen to your query. You can reach us through our website, salesforcesoftware.com, or contact us through our email, support@salesforcesoftware.com.